Hi students, this is Dr. Badrinath, and you know that I am providing a free online classes in my YouTube channel for all pharmacy students, for B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, Pharma-D students. Now, one more step, I am providing a notes also. I am providing a notes also for same all pharmacy students. How to see my notes, that I will explain in this video. So recently I launched mobile app, same name, Pharmatrix for exams. Mobile app is also there, as well as the YouTube channel is also there, that you know. Okay, two things, right? How to see all these things I will explain you now. See, yeah, Pharmatrix for exams YouTube channel, for all video classes I will provide you, no problem at all. One by one, all videos I will upload, all the concepts of all subjects, single hand all subjects, right? Okay, 100% free. And notes also 99% free. Notes also mobile app. So I launched the mobile app. In the mobile app you can see the notes. Okay, this is for the notes, 99% free. Why I am saying 99% means 250 rupees just at the nominal cost per year. 1 year 250 rupees is less than the cost of one chicken biryani per year. One chicken biryani, Hyderabad chicken biryani is more than 500 rupees actually. So I am providing only 250 rupees. That is also for the only for the maintenance of the data. The whatever I am providing the data in the mobile app. Okay, even though 10,000 students, even though 1 lakh students are logged in at a time, there will be no crash. Like that, I have to maintain my mobile app. Okay, right. That's why the nominal cost is also I am taking. Otherwise, actually, I supposed to be do it 100% free also. Okay, right. Now, how to see this classes and all? You know that in my channel playlist, see why I am providing the notes also. Offers, what are the material I am providing for B Pharmacy course, total course, all 4 years, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, all courses only 250 rupees for total B Pharmacy. Okay, that is also for 1 year, not per day. Okay, it is a cost around just 70 paise per day. Okay, and Pharma-D course also. Okay, M Pharmacy is 100 rupees only. Okay, all branches, so it's everything and all the subjects. So don't hurry, the subjects will be uploaded from time to time. Okay, it may take some time, but however, because I have to handle a huge hectic schedule, my schedule, so that I will keep on uploading all the things. But don't worry, when you open the app, even though you are the first year, if you open the app, you may find the final year subject, no problem. You start reading. Start. Today world is full of competition. Today world is full of competition. You have to be thorough. Even a small kids also, they are addicted to online. In future, everything will be online except the transport. One person has to move from one place to another place. One things or goods has to transport from one place to another place. Except this transport, everything will be in the future online only. Online education is going to be wrong. So my channel, that is a Pharmatrix for exam YouTube channel, provide you free online classes, and also it is also free of notes also. Okay, 99% free. Okay, so subjects will be uploaded from time to time. And the benefits need not to be purchased any test. Even cost, textbook cost, you know that it is a 500 rupees or 600 rupees. Just imagine you have a 6 subject per year. Okay, so for you only, what I did is, I have in my library, I have plenty of books. So I already summarized it. I have gone through, I have understand, and I know that what you have to write in the exam, what you should not supposed to be write in the examination. I made it concise. Same simple presentation. Only I am presenting in the YouTube channel. The same what I am presenting in the YouTube channel, the content is nothing but a notes. The same things you can be write in the examination. Very easy to remember, and okay, very easy to recall also. Okay, all subjects of all years. Even though you are first year, second year, third year, no problem. You can view all subjects. Okay, you can view almost. See, all the subjects will be some time will be taking place, and no problem. But however, the subjects whatever is present in the app readily, you just go through it. Okay, today itself you download it, immediately you download it, you purchase your course, that is B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy or whatever it may. You start reading any subject, any pharmacy subject. You start reading, you try to understand, it will be very easy for GPAT preparation. See, if you are not reading first year, second year, third year, fourth year readily, GPAT preparation will become a tough. You need a special 1 year or 2 years coaching again. Okay, if you are thorough with your all first year, second year, third year, fourth year subject, your GPAT preparation will be dead easy. Nowadays, GPAT question paper is not like a what is the capital of the question to answer. No, each question is a mix of 4 to 5 concepts. So if you know the only 4 to 5 concepts, you can able to answer one bit. Like that, GPAT preparation is going on. Not like a point and answer, not like a bit to bit, 1 mark bit. It is not like that. It looks like a 1 mark, but however, 3 to 4 concepts mixing together and they are making a bit. Like that, the GPAT preparation, question paper preparation is there. Okay, this is my mobile app. After downloading it, this is a logo. Here you can go to the store. Directly go to the store. Here you can see here store in the mobile app. Directly in my mobile app, that is Pharmatrix for Exams. It is readily available in the Google Play Store. You can be download it. It is, and you go to the store. There you can be find the all courses, M.Pharm.C, B.Pharm.C, okay, Pharma.D, all courses. Okay, you can start purchase any whatever the course you want, you can be purchased. So it looks like this. Your screenshot I am showing you. So for example, I have clicked on the Pharm.D, like number of courses, B.Pharm.C, M.Pharm.C. For example, I have clicked on the Pharm.D. So again, there is a list of subjects. What are their present? Biopharmaceutics, it is present in the 4th year. Biostats, it is present in the 4th year. Pharmacology, 3rd year. Like that, all the things will. So if you click on one pharmacology, see here. When I click on pharmacology 2, again all the concepts will be there. It is available in the PDF format. PDF format. So you just start reading. Nobody has to stop it. Okay, go to same one place. Be alone. Don't mix with your friends. Keep them aside. That's it. Keep them aside. Open the app and you start reading. And open your YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, and start listening. Whatever it may, because it is a plenty of time. GPAT preparation is not one-day match. Not one-day match. Okay. And this is my YouTube channel. You go to playlist. In my channel, go to playlists. Here you can find all these things like a subject wise. Pharmacology 1, social and preventive pharmacy. Okay, pharmacology lab, biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics. Okay, so if I click on pharmacology 1 here, so again all the list will become. So 26 videos, 47 videos, 48 videos, 6 videos, all the list you can be find it. So I will not take any rest. I will go on uploading the things, concepts. Okay, I have to summarize, but it may take your time. But don't hurry, don't worry. Okay, right. So keep on reading. It is a less than the cost of chicken biryani. It is just 2 rupees. Start downloading and start purchasing. Right? Oh, right. And if you have any doubts, you can be contacting through the app. Right? You can. I will have a chat with you in the chat box of them in my mobile app. Okay. All the best for your exams.